All right, chat. Good morning. It's actually 9:40. I've been here the whole time. I just haven't. What the fuck is this? I just haven't. Um. Uh. Started the recording. Anyway, market open and we're just fucking going up. So we'll see what happens. But I marked out Asia high. We've been swept that, and I marked out. I don't know what else I did. We have these weekly highs, and we have this BPR on the on the 4 hours specifically. So we did just sweep out all this kind of low resistance liquidity. And we are in this little 4 hour imbalance. However, I do think price is going to go up inside of this balanced price range. Why is it balanced? Because we had this bullish fair value gap completely get fucked in one candle and created a bearish one overlapping. Bam, that's a BPR. Which is just like a stronger, it's like a stronger fair value gap for price. And it's a big magnet. So we'll see what happens. But I'm looking for shorts up around here. Uh, Actually, I mean, we're still respecting this daily imbalance. So maybe we do go higher. I don't know. We'll see. However, I mean, fuck, market just opened and launched up. So we'll see what happens. Now, let me tell you guys something. I wouldn't mind. We get a close below. We come back. Actually, I would prefer if it goes like this. If we come down, close back over here, come back up inside of this 1 minute BPR, and then look for shorts down. See what happens? Anything on the 5? So we do actually have this 5 minute gap. So we'll see what happens. But bias is I don't really know. Mm, bias is bullish like up until maybe this BPR and maybe the weekly high. And then after that, I don't know. I think we come up into this BPR and then start to go down. I'm not gonna lie. So bullish and then bearish, or maybe bearish the whole week. We'll see what happens though. I'm gonna come back when I take a trade or when I'm in the trade, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Now, if I'm gonna short this, I would prefer to enter before it hits the 5 minute. ES actually just hit the 5 minute. I would prefer to enter before we hit the 5 minute only because we've been so bullish. So like, unless we just get like a V shape right back down, then it's kind of stupid to short until price hits this 5 minutes. So if this candle closes below here, because there is a 15-minute gap over. I lied. I lied. Never mind. I lied. But we didn't close below that body yet, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna see you guys later. We'll see what happens. All right, chat. I didn't take a trade yet, but I'm looking back and I'm kind of upset that I didn't take maybe not this short right here, but this one I should have taken. And I keep talking about trades I should have taken, but don't end up taking, and I don't know fucking why, because I'm a fucking pussy. Target is there. You could have targeted the first presented fair value gap, which technically I think it's this. It might be that one. We'll see. Honestly, I would probably have held this until like, what's my stop loss? My stop loss entering there would have been here. This is actually not a bad trade. depending upon how price is, like if it's just straight down candles, you could have sold. This is some hesitation, so could have sold around there, and then I would have probably done this 930 low, and then I probably would have held the rest for London. I'm not gonna. Where's London at? For all the way down here. I'm not gonna lie. If I was taking shorts up here, and I would be break even right now, and I would hold this until then. But we had a 200-point move up right at open, and then a 200-point move down. So looking for a trade right now, I feel like is not probable because I feel like we're just going to be pretty slow and like what's that word? Cathargic. Cathargic. That's a big word. Cathargic. Cathar. Spell with a G. Cathartic.
Cathartic.
What is it? But that's not what I thought it meant. Anyway, doesn't it mean like slow? Cathartic. Cathartic. Usage examples. I thought it meant like slow. I guess not. So I didn't take a trade yet. I'm itching for it, but I should have taken those shorts, man. But I hesitated because what did I say that I wanted to see? Like, I said I wanted to see it close below here and then come back up, fill in this imbalance, and then go. We kind of got that, but not really. Like, we closed right here and we did get that fair value gap. It just was at a lower point, you know? But right now, we're probably gonna move pretty fucking slow. Like on the 15-minute, it's just straight up and then straight down. And then this is a crazy 15-minute candle. I actually do think we go up. I'm not even gonna lie. The only thing is this is pretty slow. I was gonna enter off this 30-second. That's why I have it marked out. But I didn't. Do I regret it right now? Yeah, because it's currently up, 30 points. I would have gone break even. No trades taken yet. I'm gonna probably come back. I don't know. And the next time I come back, I'm gonna be in a trade, regardless of what it is. But we'll see what happens. Is gonna be a stop out? No shot. Yeah, that's stop out. I would have gone break even, and this was a stop. Yeah, because I think price is gonna be fucking around for a little while. So I'm gonna see you guys later. All right, chat. Let me just check myself out real quick. Bicep check. Let me stop. Let me stop. Um, Let me fix the camera too, so I don't gotta do this fucking twice. Um, um, yeah. So it's 2 o'clock. The camera's fine. It's 2 o'clock. I haven't taken a trade. I was looking for shorts, but I was looking for shorts since like over here, and I'm like, all right, let me not trade until we take out like a swing high or swing low, because like I'm not gonna take a trade within here. I'm just not until we hit like a swing high or swing high or swing low. We hit the swing high, okay, scaling in, or I'm scaled in already, but I'm looking. Scaling in the time frames. I'm like, yeah, okay, this is ugly, but we have a 3 minute. This is all very ugly. And we have what's his face? Federal Chairman Powell speaking. I don't know if he's done speaking, but I was like, okay, I could short, but I want to see this 5 minute get inverse, you know? And we're gonna respect this 15 minute. I'm like, I actually wait a minute, you could long this. stop loss is fucking ridiculous. I don't know if I do we have an S&P or anything? Let's see if we end up hitting this. But I didn't take longs. I honestly forgot there was news at 10 o'clock and 1 o'clock, but I didn't take any. I mean, there was nothing too. I mean, unless you're in a pre-market trade or pre-market long, there was no reason to long towards Asia high, which I marked out and we took out. And we took out these 4 hour. Uh, we took out these 4 hour highs and filled in that imbalance. So shorts was like, ooh, okay, let's look for shorts. And I think I said this on video, but I was looking for, bada bada, bada bada, bada bada. And we actually kind of got that, and I didn't enter because I'm a bitch. But shorts, I honestly, I don't, you could have shorted right at here because I do like the speed and the momentum at which we inverse this fair value gap. After sweeping out these highs, we inverse this fair value gap, which is pretty, important. We created a bearish one, filled it. You honestly could have entered right here, with stops up here, treating this as a breakaway, and then treating this as your, reason to enter. And you could have scaled some here, maybe one there, two down here, and then three down here. And then if you were still in it to London low, which would have been a stop at break even, but that was a good trade. And then I wanted to take longs up here, right here, but again, I hesitated clicking the button. I wanted a long out of this fair value gap, and once we inversed it, I was like, well, that idea is done. But then we kind of reclaimed it, and I was like, all right, did we get another fair value gap? No, we just kind of fuck around and then launch up. So it's kind of like, but I need to get over I need to get over clicking the button, or I need to get over the fear of losing money and just click the button. Like right here, like we'll take this on practice, but I'm taking this on practice because I'm do this.
Order filled.
Build stop loss. I would only risk like 150ish. So that puts me like right there. We could just put it at 150. Because I do want I do honestly think we might go on. Because my main goal or my analysis is bullish up until like over here. And then once we hit this 4 hour BPR, lower. But until then, bullish. So we'll see what happens with this. Am I upset? I'm not taking this on my Express account. I mean, not really. Not gonna lie, not really. Because it is 2 o'clock. If it was earlier in the day, maybe I'm blabbling. I know, but on my Express accounts, I'm done, which kind of sucks. But what do you mean? So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and I gotta get over this fucking fear, man. And I was gonna watch like ICT and his videos, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't need like a new strategy, or I don't even want to learn like a new strategy or a new idea, a new PD array, or a new fucking, price does this, that, and that. You can enter long or short. I don't care about any of that. I need to fix my psychology and my mental. That's what's holding me fucking back. Like that's why I took that amazing fucking trade on Friday of last month. This trade right here, this 2 minute the 2 minute inverse trade that I took on Friday. If I left a runner, whoo, it went for like 300 fucking points. This is it. That's the game. Um, but anyway, that trade was fucking beautiful. Why did I not take it on Express? I don't fucking know because I'm a bitch. So I'm trying to get over that. I need to fix my mental. Um, but yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday. We have Jolt's job openings at 10 a.m. So yeah, we'll see what happens. This whole week though is good. We'll see what happens, chat. I'm gonna see you guys on tomorrow. I'm done trading Express. We'll see how this paper trade goes. But I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow and I'm gonna like I want to watch ICT, but at the same time, like I don't need like a huge strategy or something. Like, I really don't. Like I know how price moves. I just can't click the fucking button. This is off. This is a strong rejection from like the floors, like the 450s, which is not good. Anyway, chat, I want to see you guys.